Hi everyone, it's Jennifer with Froggywentaknitting, and I wanted to remind everyone about Crochet Combat. For the month of July and August, it is Sherry K. Loves Yarn and Crochet and Michiâ Mosaics and more. I will have their links down below. You need to go and watch their videos to see what is required for Crochet Combat for these months. They are combined into one, and your submissions are due by midnight on September the 5th. And it all has to do with back to school. So make sure you go watch one of the videos to see what's required, and make sure you get your submissions in. It's just a reminder for everybody to go see these videos just in case you haven't seen them yet. I'd really appreciate that. And don't forget the GoFundMe for our friend All Handmade Connie. She is one of our content creators in the Yarny community. So if you could help her out, I really would appreciate that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.